jumps in the
Okay, what do you want?
Want?
Well, go on. You might as well get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There, I hope you feel better now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on a minute. Do you mind if I hop off and come back on again? I mean, connect the dots. If we're talking ugly, they don't come much more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your trouble is. You've been preening yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You've got down in the mouth. Nothing. I'm getting nothing.
I want to be left on my own.
That's just downright antisocial. Hang on. I've got a human in my throat. Oh, well, I know how you feel, but you mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. I say to myself, I'm a handsome prince in a frog's clothing, and one day someone's going to come along and kiss me and release my inner beauty. And then I say, nah, get real. Who wants to French a frog?
French a frog?
You know what our trouble is?
No.
Our image isn't in vogue. That's all. It's all a question of taste. You mark my words, Feathers. One day ugly will be in. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport their seeds and slugs will fall flat on them. Ask your mother what it's called. For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love ya, someone's gonna love ya, warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in a book corner, someone's gonna fall for you. No, I'm Tyrannosaurus Rexy. Someone let me sexy in my way. Though it may take some time to find out when you have a ball, 'cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya, warts and all.
Oh, do you really believe that?
Of course, if I didn't, I might as well jack it all in and donate my legs to gastronomic research. I'm telling you, Feathers, you gotta look on the sunny side of the lily pad. The ugliest of creatures have few redeeming features, so why not let your better point shine forth?
A mouth that runs from east to west is bound to make you look depressed. It's better